sometimes you always hear the word be yourself. But I think sometimes you don't have to be yourself. You have to be the better version of yourself. So sometimes to step out of your comfort zone, sometimes it's a good thing, because being yourself too much, you will just stay in the same place and not improve yourself. So don't be yourself.
Let's move to the next question. What is your most memorable or fond experience here at Aii or in Aii Chroy Chongva? What's your, memorable, most favorite maybe? I'm not sure.
Well, for me, it would be like the time I did like cooking project with my classmates.
Cooking project. What did you guys cook?
I think I cooked beef.
Beef?
Yes.
What is beef? Saichirup is pork, right?
Yeah.
Saiko. Huh?
Seko.
Seko. Okay. So you cook beef. Is it like a beef stew, like with the soup or anything, or like you're grilling? Ah.
It's like a Chinese food.
I see. Okay. Do you know what it's called in Chinese though?
I'm not sure. I forgot the name.
Me too. I will never know unless I tried and tasted it. How about you? What is your most fond or favorite, memory in Aii Church?
I think it was the Christmas celebration, because I've never celebrated Christmas at school before.
Okay.
So I think it was just very new to me, and it was also fun because they're selling like different food and dressing up as Christmas, like red clothes, and there's Christmas tree.
Okay, so it's your first experience to do that. You're from you're Buddhist, right?
Yes.
I see, that's right. So for me, as a Catholic, we usually celebrate Christmas every December. And in the Philippines, we have the longest Christmas celebration because by the time the months are ending in BER, we call it Ber months, like September, October, November, December, we celebrate Christmas all year round. Yes, that's how long we celebrate Christmas. The reason for that is because the economy will be good. A lot of buyers will buy a lot of food, merchandise and all. Yeah, that's the secret to that. But in a more cultural perspective, the reason for that is we like to be more connected with one another, and we feel the spirit of Christmas more as we celebrate it with longer duration. So that's the reason why there are more shoppings, there are more activities and fun events. And that's the reason why with Aii, we also do that also in December, just for us to be able to experience how Christmas is actually celebrated. Okay? So hopefully it's a good trivia for the both of you. And now, if let's say we will be, or you will switch roles, like, you change roles. Or like, you watch some K-dramas also? You do?
A lot.
Yeah.
Some K-dramas are like, they transfer one soul to another, and then that becomes a different personality, something like that. So if you have that chance to switch roles with someone else from Aii Language Center, who would you like it to be and why?
You mean
Like you will be that person.
the staff or...
Yeah, it could be teacher, staff, it could be anyone, but they need to be part of Aii Language Center. Who could it be? Is it a very difficult question? It is, right? Imagine like thinking of a new personality and that person will be you. Who do you think will it be?
I think my teacher.
Okay, so you can give the specific name. Because maybe I know.
The head teacher. Like, I wanted to know how he work or how he are able to process the students around Aii.
Okay, love that. So you would like to be taking the role of a head teacher, and then you would like to kind of experience how things are being done. Okay, interesting. Okay, how about you? I know you're still very young, but it's just an imaginative game.
I think it would be like the receptionist, because
the one from the information office.
because I think I find her job really interesting.
Okay. So you would like to connect more with people, welcome
Yes.
them to the school.
Yeah.
Okay. Can we do a sample? Let's say, for example, I'm a new customer. Let's say I'm a new student in Aii. Okay, you ready? You will be the info officer, huh? Okay. Okay. Hello. Why are you laughing? I don't know the school, that's why I'm doing. Excuse me, where is the info office? I'm asking you because you're not the info officer. Where is, oh. Where is the info office? Okay, good, okay. Hello, good morning. My name is Jake. I'm here to enroll in AII.
Can I ask you for your age and name, please?
Oh, good job. Okay, she knows what she's doing. I'm 12, even though I look like not so 12 years old. I'm 12 years old. And my name is Jake.
Can you tell me what school you changed from?
My previous school is from ABC school. ABC.
What kind of school is
My
that?
voice is changing. ABC. Oh, it's a language school before.
I've never heard of that school.
It's okay. You don't need to know. But how can I enroll?
You can write this list.
Thank you. I fill out the form.
Yeah, you fill out the form.
Done, teacher.
Thank you.
Done already?
You can go take the test upstairs.
Oh, she kind of knows, huh? This is amazing. You're trying to recall your process. Okay, good. Let's continue. I don't know where it is.
Another teacher will take you upstairs to the testing room.
You're the other teacher. Hello, teacher.
Hi.
Let's go to upstairs. Okay, we went upstairs. I'm done with the test. Hello, I'm done with the test.
You can also head upstairs again to go take the speaking test with our teacher.
You should have told me about that earlier. Okay. Sorry, went upstairs again. I'm done with the speaking test. I scored 10 out of 10.
That's really great. Can you
I know. I'm so good with speaking, you know.
Can you tell me what level you got?
Level 11B.
Wow, for a 12-year-old.
Yes. No, just kidding. Normally they get 12-year-old, depending, right? It depends whether you enroll in the kid program or the adult program. So let's say I'm in the adult program, and let's say I get the 11A. Okay, I'm in 11A. Okay. What's next, teacher?
You can take the paper and give it to the receptionist.
You're the receptionist. Okay, that was so fun. But anyway, it's just a role playing. Okay. Normally, you do role playing in your classes as well, right? Do you do? Okay. And normally, what kind of scenes do you do? Like, what kind of role playing activity?
A news report.
A news reporter. Okay. Would you like to be a news reporter? Okay, let's try. She will be a news reporter right now. Okay. This is impromptu, no script, okay? Just like one-liner. Let's say, for example, you're gonna report that you are invited here, or that, let's say, Jake is hosting Aii Talks or something like that, okay? Let's see, your camera, where is your camera? Over there. Okay, look at your camera. Okay, you're a reporter, huh? Reporter, role-playing reporter. Dun 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 dun, live from ABC Studio. Please welcome Enna.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to AII show. And I'm here invited by Mr. Jake as my host, and I'm attending an interview with him.
Okay, great job. Let's give her a round of applause too. Both of you are good, huh? Very sharp, very quick, very fast. I love that. So I will now give you the last question, okay? The last question is, as a student, which is the most important thing for you? Okay? Like right now, as a student, as a teenager.
Make sure I don't stress out too much and just like have fun and enjoy life.
Oh, I love that. So well-balanced life, make sure you get your priorities first, like your studies, and then from time to time, have fun with friends and your sister and your family, of course. Okay, love that answer. How about you, Anna?
For me, I think studying and knowing what you're doing, like studying and know that you're good at that is the important thing as a student, because you can take a test and cheat, but you yourself, can you do it? without cheating. So you know your own ability to do something.
I love that.
It's
Okay.
like an important thing to be as a student right now.
So with that, you need to know yourself better and make sure you get stronger in terms of your studies or focusing on your studies so that by the end of the day, it will all pay off well. Okay, great. Now, since they lose at the activity earlier, let's do a dare, okay? This is a very simple dare. I will give you a tongue twister. Have you done tongue twisters before? Okay, so the tongue twister is very simple. I'll do it like this. But wait, let me just read the tongue twister. I might be twisted at it. She sells seashells in the seashore. 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 You have to say this 3 times without making any mistake, okay? Let's try. Who's gonna do it first? The youngest. Okay, I keep saying youngest. Maybe you will correct me. We are 3, remember? Superlative degree. Younger, 2. Youngest, 3. Youngest, younger, not young anymore. Okay, let's begin. Ready? Go.
She sells seashell by the seashore.
In the,
In-
wait. Oh yeah, by the seashore. Yeah, you're right. Okay. Go.
She sells seashell by the seashore. She sells seashell by the seashore. She sells seashell by the seashore.
Okay, great job. Okay, your turn, Anna. Seashells.
She sells
Good. Okay. She sells seashells by the seashore.
seashell by the
西手你好吗? Again.
sells
One more.
She sells seashell by the seashore.
Okay.
She sells seashell by the seashore. She sells seashell by the seashore.
Great job. Okay, both of them did a good job. And thank you again for joining us today and hope you enjoy and have fun. Any message to our students out there watching our show? Maybe you would like to have some parting message or a message that you would like to share with them. Okay?
I think for me is sometimes you always hear the word be yourself. But I think sometimes you don't have to be yourself. You have to be the better version of yourself. So sometimes to step out of your comfort zone, sometimes it's a good thing because being yourself too much, you will just stay in the same place and not improve yourself. So don't be yourself.
Okay, I love that. That's something new. Meaning to say, just go out of your comfort zone and be a better version of yourself. Don't be contented of that be yourself motto for now, okay? About you?
For me, I think just like study hard while you still have the time, but don't stress out too much.
Okay, I love that. Short and sweet. Study hard while you still have the time and don't be stressed like me. Okay, no, just kidding. So thank you again, and this is again Aii Talks. This is season 2. Watch out for more episodes. Thank you so much for coming. Bye everyone. See you again.